about strange things happening every day.
Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So before us we have a lovely Peugeot 206 1.4 HDI, which has had a bit of a weird fault, and I wasn't going to make a video out of this, so it's not going to be a usual format, but I thought I might put it out there because it could be interesting to someone. So last night I was driving it and I heard the alternator belt flapping about, so I stopped, had a quick look at it, made sure it wasn't going to, well, it didn't look like it was going to go in the timing cover, and thought, well, I better limp the shit home because, well, I need to go home. So I did that, and then it started doing this. Yes. This is as fast as it'll go. And every time it was misfiring and fucking about. It was sort of clicking in this area here. So then I went in the cupboard, grabbed the wrong size spanner and took the belt off. And now, as you can see, if you know how it sounded before and what have you, it's actually the smoothest and quietest and best to drive it's ever been, apart from the steering being a bit heavy. And it's a total lost charging system now. So now I've got a new belt to put on, and I'll just show you the reason why, well, why I believe it was doing what it was doing. If we look down here, we can see that the crank sensor takes a reading off the pulley. So I reckon the belt flapping about was going in between that. Either that or the alternator's charging at 1,000,000 volts, which is fucking everything up. So I'm going to put a new belt on it now and see what happens. Yes. And now that new belt is fitted. Let's see what happens when I try and start it. Yes. And it actually sounds pretty smooth compared to how it used to sound. So I think that is actually successful, or so far so good. Anyway, like I said, not my usual format, bit of a spur of the moment video this. I wasn't planning on doing it. The car just broke down and fucked me about, so I had to fix it. I thought it might be interesting for anyone else who's had the same problem. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.